So let's start with algebra 1. So basically in algebra we know we use letters, numbers, there are some operation between them. For example, if I write 7a plus 2, a is variable here. All the letters are called variable and these numbers are called constant. Okay, this
Okay.
is called an algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expression means it has numbers, letters and some operation. Like we have 7a plus 2, so the operation between 7a and 2 is addition, right? So this is an algebraic
Yeah.
expression. For example, if I write 3 plus a, this is also an algebraic expression, right? Where do we use algebra? For example, in this example you can see letters can be used in place of number to solve problems. Suppose the cost of one shoe is $40, or 40 euros. So the shoes cost, um, basically if you have to find the cost of x number of shoes, that would be 40 times x, right?
Yeah.
Let's say there is a person who work for each for per hour he get paid, suppose 20 pounds. So if he works for h number of hours, he will the amount that he will get after working h number of hours would be 20 times h, right? So 20 times h we write as 20h. Okay, so in algebra multiplication, if there is no sign between a constant like 20, all numbers are constant, and h which is a variable, if there is no sign, that means they are in multiplication. For example, 3a means 3 times ab times it means a times b. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. And a square means a times a. For example, if I write 3 square, I know 3 square means 3 times 3, right? Squaring
Yeah.
means multiplying a number with itself. Similarly, a square means a times a over b means a divided by b. A cube means I will multiply a 3 times with itself. 4a square means 4 square. Like first we do 4 times 4, and then a square means a times a, right? 4 times 4 is
Yeah.
16. Yeah, 16 a square. So um, if I have 7a plus 2, it means this is 7 times a. 7a means 7 times a, and then 2 is added, right?
Yeah.
Here, this a plus 2, this is a plus 2 times 7. If 7 is written outside the bracket, that means it is in multiplication with whole bracket. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, similarly 4a square means a times a, then multiplied by 4, because between 4 and a square there is no operation. If there is no operation, that means they are in multiplication. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so yeah, then we see this type of questions. For example, find the value of each expression. There are some expression given. If a is 3, b is 2 and c is 5, so basically at place of a, b and c we need to just plug their values. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's see. So suppose we have to find ab. Ab means a times b, right? If there is no operation, then that means we need to do multiplication. So a is 3, right? So at place of a I can put 3, and b is 2, so at place of b I can put 2. 3 times 2 is 6. That means the value of ab is 6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next question is this: find c square, and we know the value of c. As you can see here, it is 5. So at place of c, I will put 5. C square is c times c, right? So at place of c, I
Yeah.
would put 5. 5 times 5 is 25. That means the value of c square is 25, right?
Yep.
Hmm. Okay. Can you tell me what is the value of a square?
Square
Yeah.
is uh 6.
A is 3. A square means a times a. So 3 times 3 is
Oh,
9.
9.
Yes. B square is?
Um, 4.
Very good. 4. Okay, that's great. Now, Let's see how we find this. Next one is 5a minus 1. So 5a minus 1, a is 3. So at place of a, I would put 3. 5a means 5 times a. A is 3, so I put 3 minus 1. So 5 times 3 is 15, minus 1 is 14. So the value of 5a minus 1 is 14. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Uh, Now let's do this one, which is 4 times b plus 3. So see, when you have a bracket, like here, b plus 3 is inside bracket, right? So we solve bracket first according to that rule, board mass, right?
Mm-hmm.
Bracket is solved first. So first, if you see the value of b is 2, so I plug 2 at place of b, then 3 is there, then we have 4. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Now because there is no operation between 4 and 5, that means they are in multiplication. 4 times 5 is 20. So that's my answer. Clear?
Clear.
Very good. Can you find this 2c plus 1? Value of this 2c plus 1. This question. This.
So, 8.
Hmm. 8. How? I think you are adding them. If there is no operation, that means you need to multiply them. C is 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
Solve bracket first. How much you got from bracket?
6.
6. And then there is no operation between 2 and 6. That means they are
Oh,
in multiplication.
multiplication.
Yeah. So how much is this?
12.
Yes, 12. Good. Um, so yeah, when there are multiple operation, you need to remember this rule, BOD mass. The order of operation, you should go first bracket, then if there is indices or any other, then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, right? If
Yeah.
there are, yeah, if out of these two, multiplication and division and addition and subtraction, whatever is given, like when you are going left to right, whatever is given first, solve that first. So yeah, try this. 12, 4 times b plus c. The value of a, b, c is given. Find the value of this algebraic expression.
Huh?
Yes, find it. Try number
Okay.
12.
4?
Did you say 24?
Yeah.
Very good, that's correct. Okay, great. Let's try number 19. So 3 is there, 3b. That means 3 and b are in multiplication, right? So the value of b is 2. So we do 3 times 2 plus a. Let's see the value of a. A is 6, right? Over c. Now the value of c is 4. So at place of c we put 4. First we do multiplication according to BODMAS. 3 times 2 6 plus 6 over 4, right? Now we add numerator.
Mm-hmm.
6 plus 6 is 12. 12 over 4, right? If you divide it, you get 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3, right? So that's your answer. Clear?
There.
Very good. Try this number 18. This one.
Okay.
Quickly.
16.
16. Let me see.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. That's correct. Absolutely correct. Okay, great. So that's how we find the value of any expression when the values of x, y, or any variable is given. So now let's see other type of questions. So basically, if you have okay, now let's learn what are formulas. In formulas, we have equal sign, right? For example, the area of this triangle is base times height divided by 2. This is the formula for area of triangle. Here we have variables and constants, so this is called algebraic equation. What is the difference between equation and expression? In expression, for example, if I write 2a plus 1, there is no equal sign. But if I write b is equals to 2a plus 1, there is equal sign. So this is equation and this is expression. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, for example, a is equals to 5b plus 2. This is an algebraic equation where you have to find a when b is 3. So simply just plug 3 at place of b and then we will get the value of a. So 5 times 3 plus 2, because there is no operation between 5 and b, so that's why we are timesing it. 5 times 3 15. 15 plus 2 17. So the value of a is 17. Clear?
Clear.
Very good. Can you try this number 4? Tell me steps. What would you do first? I'm going to solve it here. You just need to say the steps.
D divided 3.
Yeah, at place of D you put 15. And then after that,
Okay. 5 minus 2.
very
3.
good. Exactly. The answer is 3. Okay, that's great. So now basically we need to do um, this. Let's learn what are like terms. How do we add algebraic expression? Okay. So if we know that um, letters are called variable and numbers are constant, you can remember like this. Okay. So basically, if I write a plus b, I can't add them because these terms are not like terms. What I mean by like terms? Like terms have same variable, like a and 3a. They both have a and a, right? So these are called like
Yeah.
terms. Like terms means same variable. But if I write x and 2y, one has x, other term has y as variable. So they are called unlike terms. Okay. We can never add
Okay.
or subtract unlike terms. We can only add or subtract like terms. For example, if I have 2a plus 3b, I cannot add them or solve it any further because one has a, other has b. They are unlike. But if I have 4a plus 2a, I can add them. 4 plus 2 is 6. This would be 6a because they both are like terms. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's see some questions. Um, how to add, for example, in this first question, if you see, uh, let me just go like this. Yeah. So first term is 3a, last term is 2a. So this first term and last term, they are like, right? What's wrong with it?
Okay.
Hmm. So first term and last term, they are like terms. They both have same variable, so we can only add them. 3 plus 2 is 5a plus 4b. But now 5a plus 4b, I cannot solve it any further because they both are unlike, right?
Yeah.
Great. Next is 5a plus 6a plus a. So if you see, all these three terms are like, right? They
Yeah.
all of them have a. So that means I can add them all of them. 5a plus a, if a is written, that means it is 1a. Okay, so this you have to consider
Okay.
it as 1. Yeah. So 5 plus 1, 6a. 6a plus 6a is 12a. Clear? Yeah, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now let's see some questions of subtraction. So let's do this one, number 10. Can you try it? What are like terms in question number 10?
Three. Um, 7y and 4y.
Exactly. So here you get,
3y.
yes, and so you will write basically 5x plus 3y, right? Can we add them,
Yeah.
5x and 3y?
No.
No, because they are unlike, different variable. Um, let's try this, number 17. So which pair is like for 8p? Yeah, what would you do with 8p?
Mm, plus 3p.
That's minus. You can see there is a negative sign, right? Minus sign.
Okay.
So you would do,
Minus.
yeah, 8p minus 3p, which is,
Um,
yes, be quick. 8 minus 3.
um, 5.
Yes, 5p. What are the other pairs of like terms in same question?
4q and 4q.
Yes, which is,
Um, plus
yeah,
4,
yes, 4 plus 4. Why are you taking so long? Be quick.
8.
8q. Don't forget to write variable. So 5p plus 8q. Can we add them? 5p and 8q?
No,
No. Why?
because they don't have the same variable.
Yes, because they are unlike or they don't have same variable. Okay. Let's try 21. So what is the like pair for 6c?
Hmm?
Yeah, try 21.
3c.
3c, very good. So you do this too and then 3c.
And so minus so 3c and
Yes.
3 plus 6 is 8.
3 plus 6 is,
9.
yes, 9. 3c
9.
plus 9. That's your answer.
Yes.
Now let's see question number 35. So for 8x, what is the pair, like terms pair? If you check 8, 6 and 3, they all, these three terms have x, right? So first we solve
Yeah.
these two. 8x minus 6x, you get 2x, right?
Yep.
Then plus 3x is there, and then I write this 2y and minus y. So 2 plus 3 is 5x, and these two are pair of like terms. So 2y minus y, y means 1y, so 2 minus 1 is 1. So you get 5x plus 1y, right?
Yeah.
Clear?
Clear.
Very good. Can you tell me the answer for question number 2? This,
Mm, hmm. Um, so 2c.
very good. 2c. We know when the signs are different, we subtract, right? So 7 minus 5,
Yeah.
2. Bigger number is positive, so my answer is going to be positive, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, that's great. Mm, now, um, let's try this question number 26. So, what is the like pair for 3x square? For
Mm,
3x square you will solve with
X squared is 6.
with
X is 6. 12x.
yes,
So 3x is 9.
y,
And 4x.
3x square and 4x square, they are like terms. This is what I'm asking. What are the like
Mm,
terms? So 4 plus 3 is,
7.
so you get 7x square. Then what are the other terms? If you see, these two have x, so these are like terms, which would give you, if you solve them,
Um, 8.
only 8.
Huh?
Only 8 would you get. What about x?
8x.
Yes, 8x. So the answer is 7x square plus 8x. Okay. So remember, x square and x, they are different. They are not like terms. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see this question number 33. So 6xy, if you notice, all these terms have xy, xy, xy and xy. So that means all these terms are like terms, right? So let's solve first two.
Yeah.
6 minus 3, you get 3xy, right?
3. Yeah.
Yeah. And then 5 minus 2xy is
3xy.
again 3xy. But we'll write plus 3xy because 5 is positive. Bigger number is positive. Can we solve? Can we add them 3xy and 3xy?
Um,
Yeah. Can
yes.
yeah, because they are like terms, so we can add them. We got 6xy. That's your answer. Clear?
There.
Very good. Um, Now simplifying number first, then letters. So basically now let's understand, we have seen how to add or subtract like terms. Only like terms we can add and subtract, right? Now let's see multiplication. So for example, we have 4a times 2. So first we simplify, or first we multiply numbers, and then we go for letters. Okay, for example, here numbers are 4 and 2, so 4 times 2 is 8, right? And then there is only a, so we write a. So the rule for like terms is only for addition and subtraction. Okay, we can multiply unlike terms. For example, 4a and 2, they are not like, right? They are unlike. One has a, other does not have a, right? But we can multiply
Yeah.
it. For example, we can multiply like or unlike or any two terms. In for multiplication, that is not the rule. For example, 3a times 2a. So 3 times 2, we multiply these two, we get 6. A times a is a square, right? So the
Yeah.
difference between 2a and a square, because student confused here, let me explain. For example, if I have a plus a, as I told you, a means 1a. This a also means 1a. So if I add 1a and 1a, I will get 2a, right?
Yeah.
But if you see a square, if I times a with another a, so a times a is a square. Okay, and a plus a is 2a. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now let's see 5 times 5y times y. So there are 2y, so y square, and 5 would be like that. Similarly for division, if you have 6a divided by 2, so you divide numbers first. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and you write variable as it is. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you tell me how much is this? 4x times 2.
Um,
Multiply mum.
um,
Hmm. Okay.
8x.
Very good. 8x. Great. And this 4p divided by 2 is
2p.
very good. 2p. And so what about this? C times 5c.
Um, 5c squared.
Very good. 5c square. This b times b is
2b.
This is not b plus b. B plus b is 2b, okay?
Ah, b squared.
Exactly, b square. What about this? 5t times 5t?
Um, 5t squared.
No, 5 times 5 is 25, right? And t times t
Hmm.
is t square. So this is 25t square. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah, try this. Number 7.
Okay.
Yes.
Um,
First multiply numbers.
24x
Hmm.
squared.
Very good. That's great. Um, so if we have this one, 18, they all are in multiplication. So first we solve, let's say I'm multiplying first two terms first and then last two. So 2a times 6b. First multiply number with number. 2 times 6 is 12. A times b is just ab. Okay. Then we have a
Mm-hmm.
times in between. There is a this multiplication sign. Now again we multiply number with number. 3 times 2 is 6. C times d is just cd. Okay. Now again
Mm-hmm.
I will multiply number with number, which is 12 times 6. So 12 times 6 is 72. Then AB times CD is just write ABCD. So that's your answer. Clear? As I told you,
Clear.
yeah, if there is no sign between two number, that means they are in multiplication. Like AB means A times B, right? So ABCD
Yeah.
means A times B times C times D, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. So is this correct? Number 30th is 4n plus
Um,
4n is 8n square.
no.
So why it is wrong? Can you explain?
Because we only do squared when it's multiplication.
Yeah, so what should be the correct answer for 4n plus 4n?
Um, 8 and n.
8n only, okay?
Yeah.
Hmm, great. So because when if it is 4n times 4n, then you get 4 times 4 16, and then you do n times n, which is n square, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Um, Now let's see how we open or multiply out brackets. Like for example, if we have this 2 and 3 plus 5. So to solve it, let me just use my whiteboard. Let me just take this much. Hmm. So as you can see, we have this 2, 3 plus 5. So first of all, the steps to solve this type of question is whatever is outside bracket, multiply it with first term, okay? So how much is 2 times 3?
2 times 3,
Yeah,
6.
6. Now multiply whatever sign is there, write that. We have plus, so plus. Multiply this term with second term. 2 times 5,
Um, 10.
10. Then add them because there is addition. So 6 plus,
60.
yeah, that's our answer. Did you get it? First we multiply these two, and then these two, right? And then we add if there is
Okay.
addition. Hmm. Now let's see this one. See if there is subtraction. Let's say 3 5a minus 4. So first we multiply this term with this, these two. Here you get 5 times 3 15a, right?
Yeah.
Then you multiply whatever sign is there, put that minus 3 times 4. 12. So that's your answer. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Let's try. Yeah. Can you try this? Number 6.
Okay.
Hmm.
Hmm. So 4 times 7 is 28
Yes. So you got 28.
plus
What about y?
28y.
Yes.
4 times 2 is 8.
Yeah. So the answer is 28y plus 8. Very good. Um. Now try this 24th. No, let's try 28. Question number 28. Yeah.
Okay. um, um, 3 times 2 is 6
Yes.
m.
Hmm. 6m.
Um,
There are two m's, right?
squared.
Yes, square.
Yeah, squared.
Then,
Then 3 times 5 is um 15.
yes. And m times
Uh,
n.
mn
Very good. What should
mn
I put in between? This sign.
minus.
Yes. That's great. Okay. So that's how we open bracket. Let's say if there is some negative number, or if signs are different, how do we do that? Like if you take this example, so we know first we multiply this with first term, right? So negative
Yeah.
4 times x is in negative number, we learn this, right? When we multiply a negative number with a positive number, if signs are different, we get a negative answer, right? So negative 4 times x is going to be negative 4x, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so first here when we multiply these two, we get negative 4x. Now we multiply negative 4 with negative 2. So when we multiply two negative number like negative 4 times negative 2, we get a positive answer. 4 times 2 is 8, but answer is going to be positive if signs are same. If signs are different, we get negative answer, right? Like here. So we write
Yeah.
plus 4 times 2, 8. Okay, is that
Okay.
clear? Good. Like here you can see negative b times b is negative b square. Then negative times negative b times negative c is positive bc, right?
Okay.
Hmm. Let's see this one. Try question number 2.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah.
Um.
So first you do
mm,
this times this, right?
so negative 5 times 1 y. So 5 negative 5
Y.
y.
Yes. Then you do this times
And
this.
so 15
Yes. Is it positive or negative?
neg- negative.
No, this is negative 5 and this is negative 3. So negative 5 times
Oh.
negative 3 is positive 15. When signs are same, they both are negative, you get positive answer, right? So it is positive 15.
Okay.
Yeah. Um. Okay, let's try this. Number 15.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, first multiply these two. Be quick. Why are you taking break in
Um,
between? Hmm.
that is only one.
Yes, 7 times 1, 7. And then
7 times 2x is 14x
14 x. What should I put here in between? What
minus.
minus? Good. Because positive times negative number is negative. Good. Multiplying out bracket first and then collecting. Suppose here we have a bracket term and then there we have some term. So first we solve bracket. So like here first we times this with this. 2 times 3 6, and then
Mm-hmm.
we have n there, so 6n. Then we have a positive sign. 2 times 1 is 2. Then we have 3n, which we write as it is. Now these two terms are like terms, so we can add them. 6n plus 3n is 9n, but 2 is unlike for 9n, so that's our answer. Okay. Like
Mm-hmm.
in this one, first we open a bracket, we solve it. So we multiply these two. 3 times 2, 6. Then a. Then we multiply 3 with this 2. 3 times 2, again 6. Then we multiply 4 with a. 4a. 4 times 1, 4. Now we need to collect like terms. 6a plus 4a is 10a. 6 plus 4 is just 10, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Um, let's try this. Try number 6. Yeah.
3 times 2 is 6. 8
Yes.
plus 3 times 4 is 12.
Yes.
And 12
My,
minus 2a.
yes. Good.
Um, 18a minus
No,
2a is
no,
16a.
we can't add these two. These two are unlike terms. There is no a with
Oh,
12.
okay.
6a, we can just do it with negative 2a, which is,
Um, 4a.
yeah. So 4a plus 12 is your answer, right?
Yeah.
Because here we are adding. So for addition and subtraction, remember that concept of like terms. Try number 10. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm. Tell me, I will write answer here.
Okay. 3 times 1x is 3x plus
Hmm.
12
Yes. Then
plus 6.
6x, right? 6 times
6,
x.
6 times 1x is 6.
6x.
X.
Hmm.
Yeah. 6 times 2 is 12.
Hmm. Now,
3x plus 6x is 9x.
very good.
And 12 plus 12 is 24.
Yes, so 9x plus 24 is your answer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. That's correct. Absolutely correct. Um, Now, here if you see, it's same type of question, but there we are subtracting. So, 5 times 2a is 10a. Then we do 5 times 1, which is 5. Then negative 3 times a is negative 3a. Negative 3 times negative 2, because they both are negative number, so we get positive 6, right? Now we make a pair
Yeah.
of like terms, 10a and negative 3a. 10 minus 3, 7. 5 plus 6, 11. So that's our answer. Okay. Um, let's try this number 10. Let me know. How would you do it? Number 10.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. What should I do first?
Mm-hmm. Um, frequency times 6C
Very good. 6c. Then,
plus 18
very good. Plus 18
um, minus 2.
minus,
2 times 2C
yeah,
is 4C
very
and
good.
minus 4.
Minus 4. Why? 2 times 4 is?
2 times 4 is 8.
Yes, they both are negative. Negative 4 and negative 2. So you get positive 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now what should we do next?
Um,
6c with
6C plus negative 4C.
6c minus 4c, yeah, which is
Um,
6 minus 4,
2C.
2c. Good. Yes. 18 plus 8,
Um,
26.
26.
Yes, so that's your answer. 2c plus 26. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Now let's learn about this. If we have two brackets, how to multiply them. So you can remember this FOIL. FOIL means first, outer, inner, last. This order you need to do. First, outer, first you need to do outer terms, then inner, last. So basically, first you need to multiply these two, then these two, then inner you need to do last. Okay. So as you can see,
Mm-hmm.
first we are multiply first term in each bracket. Okay. Then multiply
Mm-hmm.
outer terms. Outer means these two. Then multiply inner terms. These two, and then last. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. Or you can just simply remember, like, with first term, first you multiply x with x, which is x times x is x square, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you multiply, so first we multiply first term, then outer you do, or you can just first do this same term with other one. So x times with x times 5 is 5x, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you times these two, 3 with x, which is 3x. Then you times again it with other term, 3 times 5, 15. Then you check,
Um,
first term is x square. You do these two, which are like 5 plus 3 is 8, x plus 15. We can only add like terms, which I added. Now they all are unlike. So that's what we got. Okay.
okay.
Let me give you one more example.
Okay. Can I go to the bathroom?
Okay. Yes, you can go. Yeah, so basically for multiplying two brackets, what we are doing is we are applying this FOIL method. F stands for first, O is outer, I is inner, L is last. So basically, we multiply the first term in each bracket. Like first term in first bracket is A, in second it is C. So A times C. Then we multiply the outer terms in each bracket. This is the outer term for first and this is the outer term for second. Then we multiply inner terms, right? These two are inner terms in each bracket. Then we multiply the last term. These two are last term. So we can just remember this FOIL um, to to just remember how to multiply out two brackets, and that's how we get the answer. Okay. For example, expanding this. So basically, like if we have to expand this, so first we multiply first term with first. So x times x is x square. Then we multiply outer terms. Outer terms are this with this, right? Which is x times 2, which is 2x. Then we multiply inner terms, like 4 times x is 4x. Then we multiply last term, 4 times 2 is 8. So now we can add like terms. So we got x square plus 2x plus 4x is 6x plus 8. And that's our answer. Okay. Now we can just fill these, we can complete them. So first we multiply first term, x times x is x square, which is already written there. Then we do x times 4, which is 4x. Then we do inner terms, 3 times x is 3x, so it should be 3x. Then last term, 4 times 3 is 12. So 4 plus 3, which is 7x. These two are like terms, so they can be added. Here first we multiply
I'm back.
first. Yeah. So uh, let's see this. How to Let's see how to multiply out two brackets. Okay, so remember this FOIL, foil. First term. Okay, so first term of each bracket, x times x, which is x square, right? Then
Mm-hmm.
outer terms. Outer is like x, each bracket outer term x times 6, which is 6x. Then inner terms like 2 times x, inner terms of each bracket, which is 2x. Then last term. Last term is 2 and 6, which is 12. Okay. Now these two we can add because they are like terms. So we get x square plus 6 plus 2 is 8x plus 12. That's our answer. Clear?
Clear.
Good. Um, can you try this? Use this first, outer, inner, last. Yeah, first
Mm,
multiply first term with first.
x times x
No,
is
this is P.
2x.
This is P.
Oh, okay.
These two.
Um, um, p squared.
Yes, first you get P square. These times this. Now, second, outer terms.
Mm,
Outer means this and this, right?
yeah.
So how much is that?
1p times 5 is 5p.
Very good. Then inner terms. Inner are these two, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
1p.
Yeah, or 1P you can just write P also. Now last terms. So last term of each bracket is this and this, right? Which is
Yeah. Um,
hmm.
um,
Yes.
uh, 6,
What? You are multiplying them, right?
6.
You are multiplying them, isn't it?
Oh, then 5.
5. Now these two are like terms, so add them. What would you get?
5p squared.
No,
pp.
you are adding. P square you get when you multiply 2p. 5p plus 1p.
Oh, um,
Yes, be quick.
6p.
Yes, 6p plus 5. Let's try another one. Now you have to try it. Yeah, try number 4. Quickly. What should I write
Okay.
first?
A and
Yes.
a squared.
Okay, good. Next. You have to say this also plus a square plus because sometimes it could be
Okay.
minus.
A plus 7.
Yeah,
Um, 8a.
you are not adding, you are multiplying. You multiplied a and a. That's how you got a square, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so multiply 7 and a, not add. You don't add them. Yes. First you
Um,
multiplied these two, you got a square. Now,
a times 7.
yes, a times 7, which is
7a.
good. Next,
Um, 3, 3a.
very good. Next,
Um, 21.
very good. Plus 21, right? Now, what should I do
Mm-hmm.
next? What should I do next?
7a plus 3a.
Yes, and other things I should write first is
10.
10a plus 21, right? Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
Clear.
Yeah, now if we have negative number like in this one, first we times x with x, we got x square. Then we do x with 2, we get 2x. Then we do negative 4 times x. So when we are multiplying a negative number and a positive number, the answer is always negative. So negative 4x. You can just remember if they are different, like one is positive, other is negative, signs are different, you get negative answer. If signs are same, then you get positive answer. So then you do 4 times 2. Again, one is negative 4, other is positive 2. You get negative 8. Then you solve like terms. So 4 minus 2, 2. Again, signs are different, so you subtract 4 minus 2, 2. But bigger number is 4, which is negative. That's why you put negative there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so x minus 5 square means you can write it x minus 5 times x minus 5, right? Because like x
Mm-hmm.
square means x times x, so similarly x minus 4 or 5 whole square means x minus 5 times x minus 5. Again you first you do x times x, which is x square, then you do x times negative 5, which would give you negative 5x, because x is positive and negative, you are multiplying it with negative 5, so that's why you get negative 5x, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, then you do negative 5 times x, you get negative 5x. Then you do negative 5 times negative 5. So when you multiply two number, they both have same sign, you get positive answer. 5 times 5 is 25, but they both are negative, so you get positive 25. Okay, then you solve these two like
Okay.
terms. Again, they both have same sign. Same signs means you add them. 5 plus 5, 10x. But negative sign you need to put there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Um, let's try this one. Um, number 8. Try it.
Um, okay. 11 f is f squared.
Yes.
F and 10, f and 10 is 10f.
Negative 10f, right?
Yeah.
Because f
Negative
is.
10f.
So save it with sign. Next.
2 times f is 2f.
Yeah, positive or negative?
Uh, uh, Negative.
Yes, negative, because one is negative, other is positive. Then,
Um, uh, -2 plus minus -10.
so you are multiplying negative 10 with negative 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 2 times 10 is
So 20
positive or negative?
positive.
Very good. Now, yes, next. What you need to find?
Um, 10f and 2f,
Yes,
12s.
negative 12f, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. That's your answer. Now let's see how do we find common factors. So we know, like, if we have 3a plus b, so this is we can write it as 3 times a, which is 3a, plus 3 times b, which is 3b, right? So this thing and
Mm,
this thing is same, right? Similarly, we know that
yeah.
3a is same as 3 times a, 3b is same as 3 times b. So
Mm,
basically, like, um, factorizing means, um, we need to take common number out. For example, in this, like if this question says factorize 7x minus 7y. So in these two terms, this is first term, this is second term. In these two terms, 7 is common. So we can say 7x and y, these two terms have 7 as common factor. So I can take 7 out, right? Out. And now if I take 7 out, I will be left with x. Then I have a minus sign. Here if I take 7 out, I will be left with y, right?
mm-hmm.
Hmm. In this question, if I have to factorize it, what is the common factor of 5a and 10b? I can take 5 out, because in both terms 5 is a common factor. If I take 5 out, I will get a. And here, because out of 10 I have taken 5 out, so I can write 2b, right? Because 5 times 2 is 10, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how we factorize any algebraic expression, okay?
Okay.
So if I, in this equation, I have taken 3 as a common factor, right? So if I take 3 out of 6, I got 2a inside. What should I write here? 3 times what is 15?
Um, 5.
Yes. Okay. Did you get it?
Huh?
Did you get it?
Mm-mm.
Hmm. That means you didn't. So in 9c and 6, what is the common factor of 9 and 6? It's 3, right?
Sorry. Mm-hmm.
So I can write 3
Yeah.
outside, and out of 9 I'm taking 3 out. So if you divide 9 with 3, you get 3. So you can put 3 inside. Again, out of 6 you take 3 out. You Then the remaining thing would be 2, right? Even if
Yeah.
you multiply them, you will get this back. 3 times 3, 9c. Then 3 times 2, 6, right? You're getting this back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you try number 3? What should I write here?
Um, and, um, so, have a common, what, they don't have a common factor?
5x
Or
and
is it
15. What is the common factor of 5 and 15? They have already taken 5
5?
out. Yeah. So what would be left inside if you take 5 out?
1,
No. Out of 15, you are taking 5 out.
3.
Yes, so 3 is left, right? 5 times 3 is 15.
Mm.
Okay, good. What about 8x and 32? What can you take common out of 8x and 32? What is the common factor? For question number 7, I'm asking.
Um, 4
Uh,
and 8.
yeah, 8. So let's take 8. Because x is written there, right? That means they have taken 8 out. What should you get here inside inside bracket?
4.
Very good. So you got 8x plus 4. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, can we factorize this? What is the common factor of 6 and 42?
6 and 42. 7
No.
and 6.
No, from 6 and 42. Both, what is the common for both?
2.
Let's take highest one.
Um,
Highest value.
um, 3.
Even bigger than that. What is the
Um,
biggest between?
6.
Yes. So if you take 6 out, what would you get here inside the bracket from first term?
X
M. That's
or
M.
M.
Yeah. And what about 42? What would be left here?
7.
7. Good. So that's how we factorize, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Um, so do you have any question?